Joe Beermaster, we have a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This goes for multiple models and multiple years of Cadillac. I'm going to show you how to get the door handle off. First thing you want to do is open the door, and you'll see a little black grommet. And you take that off. It's also on the back door. So we're replacing a door on the other side, so I've already taken the grommet out. And if you look in there, see that little screw, star head, hex head, Torx, whatever you want to call it. You want to spin that out. You want to make it loose. You do not want to take it out. You just want to make it loose. Because when we make that loose, this is the quick version, this cap will come off. And once that cap is off, we're going to show you what you do next. Just basically get the cap off, then slide the door handle back. But one thing first, let's get that screw loose. So I have a T25. I'll loosen that up. The idea is not to take it out, but just to loosen it. And as that comes loose, the cap on the other side is going to start coming loose. And we're going to wiggle that out. And that came out. Alright. This is upside down because the door is upside down, but you got the idea. So now I flip the door over. Now the problem with this is not getting the door handle out, it's getting it back in. So I believe I have a video on that, on how to get it in. It's a trick, but we're going to try to show you that also. We're going to slide it back. So we're going to pull it back till it comes out. And there it is, it came out. And that's how you get the handle out. Now we're going to take the backing of the handle out. Another hex head there, star head. And we're going to get that out. But the key, the big problem is getting this back in. That's where the problem comes. It's very difficult. There's a trick to it. See, the inside's already coming loose. Then we'll flip the door over and take the inside part out. I wish it were that simple. You got to get that handle back in to the backing when you put it in a new door, and that's an issue. Flip it over and take it out. So there's the insides. I took it out. It's pretty simple. The key is doing that, getting that handle in. So here's the entire handle together. That would be on the outside of the door panel. This would be on the inside. You slide that in, and then you have to slide this black piece into that area. So it'll be slid forward, and somehow you have to get this piece here to go forward. You'll be able to do it with your hand, and then you slide the handle back. See that? That's sort of reverse. If you slide it out, it'll slide into that little black pocket there. Slide out and you reverse it. The thing is, the key is this, getting this to flip up, and then sliding the handle in. Alright, so we're going to slide it in. Let's pretend the door panel's here. I already cut my hand, which is typical working on this kind of stuff. We slide that in, slide that in, and I'll show you the back side. Keep that back there, then tilt this in, tilt that all the way down, then slide the handle back, and it's in. Everything works. That's how it's done.
Very nice.
All right.
Oh,
So
yeah. You special master.
hopefully this helped. Joe Beermaster, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.